Glycerol stalks are used for long-term storage of live microbial cells. By mixing a liquid or solid culture of your isolate with a 40% solution of glycerol, you can keep your cells alive when frozen at minus 80 degrees Celsius. To make the glycerol stock with a liquid culture, first you'll need to grow your isolates in broth overnight. I'm going to freeze a known organism, Pseudomonas putida. First, add several milliliters of broth to a sterile tube and a milliliter or so of broth to another tube as your negative control to make sure the medium isn't contaminated. Then, depending on your goals, inoculate the broth with the single colony of your strain or inoculate the medium with a streak through lots of growth on the plate. In this example, I'll use one single colony. Once you've inoculated your medium with your isolate, incubate at your desired temperature for around 18 to 24 hours. It may need longer than this to grow as well, depending on the species. After your overnight has grown until the medium is cloudy with cells, you can mix the overnight with equal parts 40% glycerol to make a 20% glycerol stock. Make sure to label your tubes. We have some samples in our freezer that are over 30 years old, so labeling is key to be able to find them for future use. I have 2 milliliter tubes, so I'm going to make 1.5 mils total volume stock. First, give the overnight a quick vortex to break up any clumps of cells. Then add 750 microliters of 40% glycerol. Finally, add 750 microliters of the Vortex overnight culture per glycerol stock tube. Close the tubes tightly and invert a couple of times to mix. Once you're done, stick the tubes in a labeled freezer box.